Here's a space age cool tool to help you with soldering. Hey, James here with another cool tool for you, and you might be familiar with titanium from titanium soldering picks, where silver solder does not stick to the titanium, and so we can use it in soldering operations. Also, it doesn't tend to warp or deform under high heats. And so having that idea, and then I saw this little soldering jig handout from Master Goldsmith Jim Miller, and got the idea. He does his with stainless steel, so I got the idea of ordering a sheet of titanium and fabricating some of those soldering jigs for myself out of the titanium as opposed to stainless. If you do have the stainless, that can also work really well, but silver solder can bond to the stainless. So with soldering jigs and things like that, I really prefer titanium, and it was really worth just investing in a small sheet. You could go in with a bunch of a jeweler or metalsmith friend of yours, and as you can see from this beat up little soldering clamp or jig, I use it all the time in the studio, and for a variety of different smaller setups and clamping things in place. It's just been invaluable. So hope it inspires you to make some for yourself. If you do, definitely let me know and share your results with them. Have fun. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can hear from me when I post future videos. Thanks for stopping by.